Hello everyone, do you want to stop YouTube from tracking your watch history? In today's quick video, I'll show you how to stop YouTube watch history. This method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. Before doing this, please make sure your YouTube app is updated. Now open the YouTube app on your phone. To stop tracking YouTube watch history, we have to go into the settings. To do that, simply tap on your profile picture icon here. Now tap on the settings icon here. From the settings page, tap on your manage all history. From the YouTube history page, simply tap on the settings your YouTube history here. Now you can uncheck here to stop only YouTube watch history. Also you can uncheck this option for your YouTube search history. If you want to turn off all the settings, simply tap on turn off here. Now from this page, simply tap on pause. Remember, if you turn off YouTube watch history, YouTube won't show any recommended video on your YouTube homepage. If you want to turn on all the settings, you can do it in the same way. Thank you for watching.